Hello friends, I am Nikhil Saini from Jaipur Kurti house. All work is in-house from manufacturing to packaging. We have a production unit, 1 lakh unit per month. We maintain approx 200 plus design at that time, and every month we introducing 20 plus new designs. And meet Jaipur Kurti house owner Sunil Sarji.
Hello everyone, my name is Sunil Bajaj from Jaipur Kurti house. We have pan-India presence offline as well as online. We have brilliant and creative team. Our goal is to manufacture affordable women wears without compromising the quality of the product, and the idea is to sell at the best affordable price.